Hi guys, MrTrillLife here. New website fully set up. You can go to anywhere you want to go to. Either you want to go to the product pages, you go to the product pages, and then you're seeing all the stuff they want to sell. You're going to other categories, like for example, there's a custom page. This is a website fully set up with a custom landing page, right? A landing page where people can click in and go maybe message them on like WhatsApp or something, the stuff they want to sell. There's also a WhatsApp button, so there's a WhatsApp functionality on the website also. They have everything set up. There's an about us page, there's a contact us page. Set up everything that helps their brand scale is done and is available to be done on this website. If you want something like this set up for your own brand, just DM the words website and someone on the team will be available to speak to you immediately, right? Yeah. You want to see a demo? If you want to see a demo of how websites like this are set up for brands, for your own brand or company, then just send the words website to the DMs and someone on the team will be available to speak to you immediately. Ciao.